Network Entertainment.
What are the non-negotiable daily habits for
Naku,
healthy teeth?
Yung I just mentioned, paulit-ulit ako talagang brushing.
Are there patients that horrify you because of their poor
Oo,
habits?
super. Kahit donya. Siguro baka tamad or
Okay.
they're too lazy to floss.
How
It's
about bad
non-negotiable.
breath? What is the cause of that?
It's usually, we always recommend our patients to go and see a gastroenterologist.
Okay. What are the most common issues that you see in women in their 30s, 40s, 50s?
Usually naman, if you tell me you're so stressed, they get
Grinding. Ako.
grinding, grinding,
Right.
or fractured teeth. You want to save your teeth? How? By cleaning your teeth. Going to the dentist visit, basic eh.
So
It's so
those na
basic.
nagfa-false teeth, you think they did not
Yes, they
maintain?
did not. Hindi nila
Oh.
inalagaan yung teeth nila.
Oh my
That's why they
gosh.
lost all their teeth.
Hi, this is Mirza Season. Welcome to You Can Do This, a podcast that'll help you achieve your dreams and goals one episode at a time. What are you waiting for? Let's go! Okay, now, pupunta tayo sa exciting part. Ang frequently asked questions.
Okay.
So we
Game.
compiled a lot of questions from our listeners.
Okay.
And now we have Dr. Nelda here.
Ready to answer them.
to answer. So, you keep stressing oral hygiene. What are the non-negotiable daily habits for healthy teeth?
Yung I just mentioned, paulit-ulit ako talagang brushing. My God, let's start with brushing your teeth talaga. Sometimes, alam mo, okay na if I say Mirrors na, brush your teeth 3 times a day. Pero every time you eat, you get food debris.
So, okay. Akala ko
I don't know, maybe I'm a dentist. That's why I have a toothbrush in my bag. It's an essential for
I
me.
thought pa naman yung mga nag-toothbrush after lunch, medyo exage. Pero kailangan
Hindi.
pala.
No, especially if you're a smoker.
Oh, okay.
Kasi you don't want to get stained teeth rin.
Right.
Nicotine stains at the back of your teeth. Number 2 is flossing. That's non-negotiable for me, flossing. Kasi the plaque is very sticky. It sticks on your teeth like crazy. So you need that to just, put it in between
After
your
every
teeth.
meal rin or sa gabi lang?
Sige, sa gabi na lang.
Okay.
Sa gabi na lang. And then if you are wearing veneers or crowns, water pick.
Okay.
That should help you. That should make me sleep well at night.
Are there patients that horrify you because of their poor
Oh,
habits?
super. Kahit donya.
Kahit doon yun. Like
Oo.
ano yung worst?
Wala siguro baka tamad or
Okay.
they're too lazy to floss. But we always remind them after getting veneers, you have to floss your teeth.
How
That's
about bad
non-negotiable.
breath? What is the cause of that?
It's usually, we always recommend our patients to go and see a gastroenterologist.
Okay.
So it comes from within.
Mm.
So let's address that. But first of all pala, diba, go and have your teeth cleaned. If hindi pa rin na-address, there's something intrinsic, right? It's inside the body.
How often ang cleaning and checkups dapat?
Again, for veneers, for crown patients, every 3 months.
Okay.
But otherwise, if you're fine, you're okay naman, a normal, regular patients come in twice a year.
Okay. What are the most common issues that you see in women in their 30s, 40s, 50s?
Usually naman, if you tell me you're so stressed, they get
Grinding.
grinding,
Ako.
grinding,
Right.
or fractured teeth, or cavities.
Right.
Cavities. If you don't come in, yun na nga, you get cavities kasi if you don't get regular checkup twice a year. So prevention is always better than cure, Mirza, diba? So if you want, if you don't want to get a restoration or pasta or filling, have your teeth checked every 6 months.
Right.
Instead of getting the cavities get so big na mas mahirap galawin yun eh. Mas masakit yun.
Right.
So during the checkups, incipient caries can be arrested already. Maliit lang yun. Mabilis lang
What do you
napas.
call it?
Incipient caries. Caries are cavities.
Oh.
So yung mga pinpoint dots na yun, mas mabilis. Instead of it prolonging it and then come back after 3 years, nakong laki na nun. And pasakit na yun. So it's
Okay.
harder to treat.
So the pain is from cavities.
Yes.
Or are there
more
other
often
kinds
than
of
not.
pain that are not due to cavities?
Yeah, there is. There's such a thing called as TMJ
Oh, I
dysfunction.
have that. Yeah.
Yeah, 'di ba? Because you grind your
Yeah.
teeth. 'Di ba? You have painful neck. Your back is painful.
That's from the teeth also.
Yeah, when you grind your teeth at
Okay.
night, so you get a lot of tenderness on your jaw. Madami. That's why you can have
Right.
it checked already
Right.
if it gets bad, if it gets worse.
What are the most common brushing mistakes?
Nako, alam mo, ang dami. When patients come in, makikita namin, ay nako, sobra tong
Oh,
nagmamadali.
too harsh?
Too harsh, too fast.
Okay.
Tsaka gigil, nanggigigil.
Okay. Ano bang tama?
Okay. It
Soft
should be
bristles.
number one, soft. Dental B is good. Dental B na soft. Ang ganda nun. I can recommend that.
Dental B.
Yeah. Yes. And then just do it in a rotating manner. Wag yung, di ba, sometimes we do it so fast. So your gums will recede. Your gums
Oh.
will go up. It
Oh.
recedes. And then it's gonna cause discomfort or sensitivity.
Rotating manner per tooth?
Yeah. Per tooth.
Okay.
Pero wag naman, yung normal speed.
How about
Wag yung
inside?
Inside, pwede naman ganon.
Okay.
But not too harsh nga. Not too, not
One
too,
of your dentists said that inside she does that.
pwede then going
Ganon.
up para
Right.
the plaque will go up.
Or yung feeling ng iba pag soft bristles.
Hindi
nalilinis. Pero
nalilinis yan.
baka kala nila squab.
Wag naman, kaya nga nagre-recede yung gums eh.
So the enamel gets eroded
Yes.
when the bristles are too
Also, number one are the gums. It really recedes. It goes up. And then, the enamel really gets affected.
and the
eroded.
receding gums are a function of age or not
Also.
necessarily.
Also.
So that's
also.
something we should expect to
Correct.
happen.
Yes. But it can be easily addressed.
How?
By doing a filling.
Oh,
Filling it
okay.
up. Yan lang. Napakadali. It's very
Filling
easy
up
to
the
address.
what?
The gums, diba? The gums recedes. So it leaves the enamel exposed. So you just cover that.
Okay.
You just cover that.
Okay. And then there's parang I've heard that some people shave gums. Tama ba yun?
Not shave, but we do recontour. It's a cosmetic procedure prior to the veneers. If
Right.
you're too gummy, we recommend a procedure. It's called gingivectomy or recontouring of the gums to
Okay.
expose the teeth to make it more look bigger.
Right.
So parang crown lengthening ganon. It makes the teeth look bigger.
Oh, okay.
Then we can make elongated veneers. So you have normal looking veneers. Your smile are
Right.
your teeth are bigger.
Naalala ko bigla, a lot of Hollywood celebs really did dental.
Oh yeah.
Parang all.
Transformation. Tom
Parang
Cruise is
all.
number one.
Yeah.
Grabe yun.
Grabe
That
siya.
time, hindi pa uso. Madami, a lot of
Even Ariana Grande.
Ariana Grande.
diba?
Yes. But do you see, diba?
Right.
Lucky naman lahat sila. Sinwerte.
Right. Which led me to believe na yung parang Hollywood star quality hindi laging inborn, di ba?
That's right.
And the teeth have played such a big part.
Exactly. That's why when we were doing the commercials before for close up, ang gaganda nila, ang gwapo, they all look so perfect. Pero the teeth aren't. So that's where we came in.
Right.
So yun.
So meaning we can all look like that.
Yes, of course.
Right. Let's go back to the jaw pain.
Okay.
When should it be checked? Let's say you feel jaw pain. When should it be checked by a dentist and not like another
When you
doctor?
hear clicking sounds already.
Oh, but how will you hear it if tulog ka?
No. When you open and close your jaw, diba? It's clicking.
Oh.
Secondly, when somebody tells you, hey, you're grinding your teeth at night,
Right.
yun,
Okay.
should be alarmed na.
Right. And if they do,
Should get a mouth guard or just
Right.
visit the dentist. They'll do several diagnostic procedures like x-rays. They'll evaluate and do an assessment to give you the proper.
and now you have an x-ray in your clinic.
Oh
right?
yeah, we do.
Hindi nalalabas.
Oh, hindi nalalabas.
Galing.
Kasi para we want everything to be in the clinic na.
Right.
Done in the clinic.
One-stop shop.
Correct.
What is
correct.
a mouth guard?
A mouth guard? It's made up of a rubber material that is inserted and customized per
To your
patient.
teeth,
To
right?
your teeth, of course. So at night you wear it. So your teeth doesn't have to grind. They don't oppose on each other when you're grinding. So instead of tatama your teeth on the top of your teeth, you wear the mouth guard.
Yeah.
So it rubs on the mouth guard.
I have one, but
Good.
in the middle of the night, I remove it.
It's very uncomfortable. No? Maybe you need a thinner one.
Maybe.
We'll make a thinner
It's
one.
old na eh,
siguro.
so baka
Yeah. Let's make a thinner.
technology has
Yeah,
ano.
yeah. I'll change it not. If you're not wearing it, it's not serving its purpose anymore.
Right.
Baka masyadong makapal.
Or what other
Yes.
new technologies? Parang you really have to stay on top of technology, di ba? Ano yung mga old style?
Oh
Like
God, if I
mouth
can
guard
just
pala.
walk you through the clinic. Kasi nga, we already have a dental laboratory. It's called CAD-CAM.
Oh.
So we can make a one-day crown.
Oh, one-day crown.
Yeah, so everything can be made instantly.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. So you see the machine milling the porcelain or the zirconia. And then you say, wow, my God. As in, you'll see it kasi it has a window and you see how it forms and becomes a tooth.
Right.
You're leaving na, okay, we'll put it on, install in one day. Bye.
Right.
So you have your tooth already.
Right.
So, and then we have, we call it, before, di ba, you do an impression that's so gooey. Di ba, nakakasuka. So we have like a camera already.
Oh, wow.
On the spot, you see how your teeth will look like. So that's how we get the mold now.
Oh, okay. So hindi surprise yung result.
Oh, yes.
So you already show them,
Yes.
you could look like this. Ganun.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
No surprises.
And it's so accurate. Everything is so accurate kasi it's digital. So everything perfectly done.
Wow. Are there technological advancements na hindi mo na-imagine mangyayari from like when you started?
Yun, kasi we can send it out abroad eh. Like for the Invisalign, everything is manufactured abroad. Can send it in a second.
Oh my god.
So we do the scanning. It's called a digital scanner. We scan it now. One click, send it abroad. They'll manufacture it. Matagal lang yung courier. But everything is done.
Wow.
Split second there na.
Right.
So instead of doing the impression, rubber impression, at suka-suka yung patient. And then I'll send it out pa to the States. Ito, click. One click.
Galing.
Galing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about aging.
Ayoko na yan.
Ako rin eh. Pero parang kailangan
Inevitable eh, di ba?
kailangan pag-usapan.
Okay lang yan. Sige.
So what happens to our
Growing
teeth and
old, Chris.
gums
Okay.
when we age?
Ayan. Kasi nga. Ayoko yung age.
Sad
Ayun.
but
Yeah,
necessary.
sad but true. Yeah. Well, we have to face it, di ba? Head on. Yung teeth kasi, syempre we use it every day for eating, di ba? So it wears out. Di ba? Your teeth, why is it getting small? Kasi nag-wear out talaga yung enamel.
Oh my gosh, scary. Okay.
Diba? Yung gums naman yun, it really recedes. And it's normal. It's a physiologic thing.
Para siyang skin na parang.
Yan, parang skin. Hindi naman nagsasag. Pero weird, tumataas siya. Or bumababa.
Hindi siya pwedeng i-botox.
Hindi siya pwede Botox. But there's a solution naman. If your gum recedes, we just cover the teeth that's exposed with a filling, with a light cure composite filling.
But the gums are still receding.
The gums are
It's just
still
the
correct.
visual
Correct.
effect.
You can do a gum graft, but that not everybody can do it. We just fill in whatever is exposed.
I'm shocked that many much older women I know are wearing false teeth na pala. Is that preventable or inevitable?
Preventable, yes, from the start. Again, toothbrushing is very important. Good oral hygiene. Diba? You want to save your teeth. How? By cleaning your teeth. Going to the dentist visit. Basic eh.
So
It's so
those na
basic.
nagfa-false teeth, you think they did not
Yes, they
maintain?
did not. Hindi nila
Oh,
inalagaan yung teeth nila.
Oh my
That's why they
gosh.
lost all their teeth.
that is the most powerful motivation for anyone.
Yeah. You lose it.
Okay.
Once it's sira, cannot be restored. Bunot na. Well, you can do an implant now. That's the thing.
Okay.
So it's not postizo, it's fixed and it's there permanently.
Hey, his name is Chico Garcia,
And his name is Gino Killiamore.
and together we are Only Fun.
That's right, for only $12 a month.
Ah.
Joke.
But if you're willing to pay, why not? No, we're from a podcast that talks about movies, TV shows. Basically, we do reviews of K-dramas, whatever, really. Whatever is on streaming, whatever is on cinemas. We also get to occasionally interview celebrities, actors, directors.
And of course, infused with our own witty brand of humor and slice of life.
Wow. I guess we don't infuse a lot.
Check it out.
Do you deal with postizo or no?
I don't really recommend.
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay.
Naawa rin ako sa patient because they cannot taste the food.
Oh,
What's the quality of life there? You just
right.
want to chew.
Right.
Diba? So, what we do, we replace it. We replace the removable dentures. When you say postizo, it's the one that you can remove, diba?
Okay. Baka naman old na yung terminology ko. May new technology.
So, the
na.
postizo or removable partial denture, we replace it with a fixed denture. So, that's the bridge.
Right.
And it's really beautiful.
Right.
The way we make it. It's
Right.
zirconia. It's there forever.
Right.
Or, second, we can also recommend a dental implant.
Okay. What are some warning signs besides toothache that we shouldn't ignore?
Yun na nga, the TMJ.
TMJ. Okay.
TMJ, bleeding gums.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes when you brush,
Yeah.
what is that a sign of?
What do you mean?
Like parang, may blood and then we ignore it. But
It's
usually,
gingivitis.
it's gingivitis.
And if it bleeds excessively, profusely, that's an
Yikes.
advanced gingivitis. It's called periodontitis. That's even worse.
Right.
Then it can lead to getting the bacteria going to the heart. It's can cause chronic inflammation.
Right.
So you get bacteria from gingivitis or periodontitis.
Right. Okay. So we were talking about braces earlier. Is it ever too late to
You know what?
straighten your
I
teeth?
always say ito. Parata ko, kunyari, there's this 60 or 65-year-old lady who wants to, have straight teeth. I mean, she's still healthy. and
Yeah.
I always tell them, you're never too old to go straight. You can do Invisalign if you don't want the metal mouth.
Right.
Invisalign is the perfect solution.
Right.
So,
Right.
never too old.
Right. So for the women preparing for big events like weddings or
I'm
Pub-
always excited
public
for them.
speaking
Yeah.
or whatever, how far in advance should they think about smile treatments? Or-
Wedding at least 6 months before because they would do pre-nop photos.
Oh, oo
already,
nga.
diba? Sanay kami kasi we join mga wedding rin eh.
Wedding fair?
Wedding
Oh,
fairs.
okay.
Yeah, because they're big on having
Right.
bright smiles and during the big day.
Okay. What
Yeah.
else?
Um
6
Siguro
months. Kung
if-
veneers.
kung veneers at least 2 weeks before.
Oh, in 2 weeks?
Yes, in 2 weeks. 14 working days to be
Akala
exact.
ko months yun.
Hindi.
Pero in those 14 days, pwede kang pumasok sa work?
Yeah, because right after the initial appointment in tooth preparation, we have very nice temporary crowns,
Oh,
temporary
okay.
veneers. So you can go and do your daily grind, whatever you need to do.
Right. How about veneers na dumidikit sa food? Parang ang dami sa TikTok. Like, somebody kumain ng
I saw
Dubai
that.
chocolate.
Ang
Tapos yung tooth niya natanggal.
nakakatawa, it's not even a veneer, it's because I saw that.
What was
It
it?
was a crown.
A crown.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ang OA. Pero crown yun.
Oh, okay.
Hindi siya veneer.
Okay.
I would say you need to be careful because we always send out a post-operative instruction. You need to follow.
Don't eat corn forever daw. Totoo
Hindi
ba yun?
naman. Pwede naman. Basta, you have to cut it. Sorry.
Or apple, hindi na pwede.
Hindi na pwede.
Forever. Oh
Hindi
my
naman
gosh.
forever. Basta cut
Slice
it up. Dito ka, sa side. Doon ka sa back teeth mag-chew.
Okay.
Kasi you have to be mahinhin na. Hindi na pwede.
And if, let's say, they're at a party and then natanggal, Paano kung sarado kayo?
Goodbye. Say goodbye to the organizer. Hindi.
Walang
We have
24 hours.
instructions on what to do.
Okay.
We're
okay.
prepared.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How about whitening? On all over social media, you see whitening strips or
Nako, madaming ganyan.
kung ano-ano.
Do it yourself.
Yeah, what
you have
can
to
you
be
say?
very careful. I can only recommend a few like Crest strips and Rembrandt.
Right.
But the others, I don't know. And then the ones that we dispense in the clinic.
And
But the
those are
others, I'm
really
not sure.
instant?
It can never be instant.
Okay.
Kasi you have to understand that the whitening can only be done chair-side procedure inside the clinic.
Right.
So it's handled by a professional. And then afterwards, you can do it yourself whitening.
So the strips, they actually work? Like if you remove
They
it?
they work, but not as great as your chair-side procedure in the clinic, in the dental clinic. the
And then
dental
when you
office.
resume your habits like coffee and tea.
Ay, wala. Mag-ano talaga yan. Pabalik yan.
Okay.
It's only veneers or crowns that will not darken
Right.
with red wine,
Right.
colored drinks, and food.
How about mga TikTok hacks like home bleaching? Scary naman.
I
Charcoal
don't really
powder.
recommend. No, I don't recommend
Right.
that.
Okay.
Diba? You might and
Or I saw a whitening kit na parang igaganon na may ilaw.
you know
Ano ba yun?
we have that, but I only trust a certain brand for that because I've tried it myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then how soon?
I'll give you.
How soon are the results?
Again, it's not as drastic as having it done by a professional in the
Right.
dental office.
Right. How about electric toothbrush?
Ayan, nako, ayan nga. Maybe pag yan serious topic yan for me, do not use electric toothbrush
Oh.
when you have veneers or basta prosthesis in the mouth. Kasi maaalis lang yan.
Crowns.
It will agitate Masisira niya yun.
How about
Kasi it's-
implants and crowns?
Wag na, don't. Just stick to your regular
Oh, okay.
toothbrushing.
So it's not ano.
But if you have normal teeth, sige. But be careful din kasi ang it's very harsh.
Oh,
I don't recommend it.
right. So water pick more than electric
Yes,
toothbrush.
water pick more than electric toothbrush.
Right. So okay, gut health. Diba you were saying usually bad breath. It's usually
Ay, nako, that's true.
gut health. Any more anecdotes or
I would always say, I
insights?
would always tell my patient that the mouth is the port of entry of the body.
okay.
So if you have dirty mouth, what goes inside your stomach?
What is dirty?
Bacteria.
For example.
Wala, you don't brush your teeth. You have a lot
okay.
of bacteria harboring in the mouth.
Right.
Diba? So it kind of affects the gut health. Diba? The gut microbiome.
Right.
Gingivitis, there's a lot of bacteria going on when you have gingivitis and periodontitis. That's the reason why it bleeds.
What is periodontitis?
Periodontitis is the advanced stage of gingivitis. So, worse talaga. As in, you would see, di ba, redness. Kasi the normal color of the gums are coral pink.
Okay.
That's the healthy gums. But if you have red gingiva, red gums, that's an indication of
Okay.
gingivitis. And it bleeds easily, di ba? When you say, oh, doc, when I brush my teeth, biglang dumudugo ng grabe. Because gingivitis, you need to go to the clinic and have proper cleaning and scaling. Deep scaling.
Are there things we should not eat or drink
When you
which
have...
impair our oral health?
No naman. Not necessarily. Just have clean... Just
Just
brush your-
clean your teeth.
Just brush your teeth. Yun lang naman yun after.
Eh, ang coffee and tea.
Wala. You cannot stay
Do you
away
drink
ng-
coffee?
Yes, I do. But I brush after naman.
Okay.
I'm not a heavy coffee drinker. I'm not. But
right.
for of course, yung mga coffee lovers talaga, you really need to brush.
Right.
If ever brush your teeth after, it stains heavily, coffee and tea.
And wine daw.
And
Red wine.
Yeah.
Right.
Wine talaga. Sayang lang if you do whitening and then,
Right. Okay. So is there another alternative for people who don't want to floss?
non-negotiable. Wala talaga.
Wala pang new technology.
Or punta ka sa clinic. You go to a dentist.
Wala pang new.
Wala. Not even water pick.
How about those parang floss sticks?
O, pwede naman yun.
Okay.
Pwede yun. Yes, that's flossing naman. That's a flosser.
Okay. Okay.
Considered as a flosser. Floss.
Right. How about mouthwash?
Mouthwash is good, but not all the time because it dries your mouth.
Some people.
So you want alcohol free then,
Okay.
because it'll, the good bacteria in your mouth, papatayin din niya.
Okay.
It's gonna kill all the good bacteria in your mouth.
I heard that some people just use mouthwash and don't brush their teeth.
Hala! Huwag ka na mag-mouthwash, mag-brush ka lang.
Right.
Mag-brush ka na lang, okay na yun.
Right.
Yeah.
How about those
And
who
brush your tongue. That's very important.
yeah,
Telomeres.
please expound on that.
Use a tongue cleaner every night also, because that's where the bacteria settles in. Kasi may mga hair-like structure yan in between. If you try to look at use a microscope, my hair, it's that cilia that's really, really very, very tiny. So the food really gets trapped in between.
So how do you use the tongue cleaner? You
Just
scrape
scrape from outside. From inside, going outside.
3 times a day then.
No, even at night. Na.
How about brushing your tongue? Or not the same?
There's a study that says brushing the tongue is not good because it just
I saw that.
yeah, the bacteria just stays there.
You're just spreading it
You're
around.
spreading it around, and then you putting it on your teeth when you're brushing. So better talaga get a tongue scraper.
How long does it take for you?
Me, maarte ako. I do
Like,
all the steps.
So how long yan
Brush, and then floss,
Floss,
and then the tongue.
and
Siguro
water
mga
pick
30
pa.
minutes. That's why nga my husband always tells me, ang tagal mo. I'm so
total?
ma-OC.
Para pa yung skincare.
Oh,
Oh my God.
skincare pa, di ba? Well, you know how girls are. Di ba? Kailangan perfect.
So is it safe to say that all dentists never have false teeth?
That's not true because tao rin kami. We're also human. Saka if you want nicer teeth, diba? That not everyone.
Pero kung 30
everyone
minutes,
is born perfect.
Kung 30 minutes a night ang oral care.
Hindi rin naman.
Hindi
Hindi.
rin.
Kasi, age will catch up.
Sad
Age
naman.
catches up on us.
So if somebody is blessed with good genes and then okay naman yung teeth niya, wala siyang cavities, can they skip the dentist or hindi pa rin?
No, hindi pa rin.
Why not?
Hindi pa rin. Sometimes it's, areas in the mouth, it's hard to reach then. So the plaque settles in.
It's just not
And there are a lot of
visible.
issues that you don't see. It's not visible.
Okay. Wow, we covered a lot. Are there any that I missed that you
Parang
get
we-
asked a lot? Like, what's the
Ah.
most common question you're asked a
Parang
lot?
I think I already answered all.
Andun na lahat.
Galing mga. You really did your research. Galing-galing ni Miss Mears, ah. She's the best. And nervous ka ako. Sabi ko, naku, magaling yung mag-interview.
Hello! Pag hindi magaling, hindi ka na nervous.
Hindi masyado.
Not that I am.
Hindi, pero I know rin kasi you're a coach. Sabi ko, I'm confident.
Makulit lang ako talaga. Okay, your final message to everyone watching and what you want them to take away from our long discussion.
I guess I have a simple message lang, di ba? Pertaining to dentistry. Yun na nga, in order to achieve the perfect smile, you don't really need to come to us naman. Just do the basic cleaning, flossing, yun yung important. But if you think that you need more enhancement and you want to look perfect, please come to CAD. We can help you anytime. We can address anything under the sun. Pag dental.
Dental, not mental.
Pag mental. Hindi namin kaya.
Pero maraming mental, 'di ba, mindset that goes.
Yes.
The
yes,
self-care. and
Yes, that's
self-love.
true. Yeah. Self-love, and of course, 'di ba, we want to empower, especially the women out there. 'Di ba? We want to tell you that you're all beautiful in your own right, in your own self. And huwag kayo mahihiya, 'di ba? Maganda kayo. And smile always. We'll help you if you cannot.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Doc
you too.
Nelda.
I had so much fun.
Yeah.
Hindi ako na-nervous.
Walang nananervous dito. May umiiyak, pero
Oo.
walang nananervous.
Yeah.
So please
Thank you.
invite our listeners to check you out and where?
Again, I'm Dr. Nelda, Euphemia of CAD. Center for Advanced Dentistry. Please come if you have any issues with your teeth and you want to have a perfect smile. We have a branch in Shangri-La at the Fort, at the ground floor, and in GH Mall, second floor. See you there.
Also BGC.
BGC in Shangri-La at the Fort.
Right. All right. Thank you so
Thank you,
much. And
Mears.
what about your social media? Where can people find you?
You can find me my Instagram is at Dr. Nelda Eufemia.
And for CAD, it's
I forgot it's Center for Advanced Dentistry or CAD Clinic.
CAD Clinic.
Yes.
All right. Thank
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Yay! Thank you for listening to You Can Do This. If you want to know more about me, visit Mirza.com. That's MYRZA.com. And follow me at Mirza Season on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you like this episode, please don't forget to rate it 5 stars. Hit the follow button on your podcast streaming platforms and hit the notification bell to get alerted every time we release a new episode. Catch you at our next convo, and always remember, you can do this.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.